Hello, it's Charlotte here from charlotteohara.ca and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I am going to be keeping it short and sweet and showing you how to set up a blog on your Squarespace website. So you might know that I am a Squarespace SEO expert, and obviously as a result, I recommend wholeheartedly that you blog. And blogging is fantastic for content creation. It's a great way to create even more keyword-rich content that you use to attract people to your website and then sell them on your products and services and all of that kind of thing. And there's many reasons of why you should blog, and I've covered them here on my channel and my blog, all that sort of thing. But now let me show you how to actually do it, because it's really easy once you know the steps to do. But the thing is, if you don't know what steps to do, then you're kind of like, oh, how do I get it done from a technical point of view, you know? So this is what I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to share my screen, just jump straight on into it. Share my screen. Here we go. Okay, cool. So you can see here that I have a Squarespace website here done up. So I'm going to use this just for the demo purposes. And this particular website is for a fake business. It's on Squarespace 7.0, I believe, on the Raleigh template. And if you're on 7.1, it doesn't matter. The steps that I'm about to show you here are exactly the same. This is just my demo site for, some of these videos. So let's say here you go, you've got your website here, you've got your primary navigation. And so to add a blog, all you're going to do basically is click on this plus sign here, and then see where it says under collections, you're going to click on blog. And then this is where it comes in. So we can call it like the blog or whatever it happens to be. Okay. And then from here, this is where you're going to be building out all of the posts. So just a really quick overview here to add a post, because a blog is a collection of posts, right? And so you're going to just click on here, click the little plus sign, and then this would be like blog post number 1 or whatever. You write your title, you can start putting in all of the content, and you see here it has full access to all of the Squarespace's different things. Do you want to add text, images, galleries, buttons, whatever it happens to be in here. And then at the end of your blog post, you're also going to add tags, you're going to add your categories, things like that. You're also going to toggle over here to toggle, not toggle, go over to the options tab. You can add your featured image. You can make sure that you put the post URL in here as well. Maybe put an excerpt if that's something you're displaying. Not all blogs do, but up to you. And then very importantly, obviously I'm going to show you this one. Don't forget to come over here to the SEO tab and start putting in the SEO. Well, the title is going to pull from whatever you put in here. So in many cases, it'll be SEO friendly already, but if it's not, you can always override it and say I don't know, 5 tips for your vacation in Miami. I don't know, whatever. And then in your description here, this is where you actually explain to Google what the post is about. So use keywords here, right? Because again, when Google crawls and indexes your blog post, they're going to see this SEO description field, and it just helps them before they even start crawling and indexing the post to know what you're talking about. So it just works it really well. You can go through the other ones too, take a look at the socials. If you want to add an alternate social sharing image, that means if you were to upload the video onto Facebook or something, then you could have an image or something that goes here that overrides the general social sharing one. And I actually have a video that I'll link to up above that talks about this in a bit more detail here. The share as well, if you want to send it out this way, things like that. You can also add a location if that's relevant, but in many cases, most cases, I would say, you're predominantly going to be focused on the content, the options, and the SEO tabs here. And then the last thing I wanted to show you as well is that you have the option here to keep it as a draft, to publish it directly, to schedule it. Needs review is another one if maybe you're working as part of a team, anything like that. And then, just save it whenever you're done and then keep going through there. Just blog away to your little heart's content. So my friends, that is how easy it is to set up a blog on Squarespace. So now that I've shown you, now that you see how simple it is to do, it's literally 2 clicks and you're done, then there's no excuse. So I want you to be a little blogging machine, basically. And I want you to do it right. Do it in a way that's SEO friendly, that's going to help get that traffic to your website and get you in front of even more of your dream clients and customers online. And if you're kind of like, cool, Charlotte, like, how do I do that? Then take a look at some of the other videos and blog posts that I have all about blogging specifically, and those will point you in the right direction. There's tons of resources. I'll even link to a few of them down below so that you're really supported on your Squarespace SEO blogging journey. So go ahead, try it out, and let me know how it goes for you. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope it taught you something new. It gave you something to consider. And let me know if you liked it. You can like the video, leave me a comment down below, anything like that. And if you want to learn more about SEO and Squarespace SEO, Squarespace websites, online business, anything, take a look at the other videos that I have here on my channel. There's so much content and you can binge your way through it and see exactly what interests you. So thanks so much for watching. I will see you again soon in the next video. Bye.